Okay, I want to show you this little corner storage. So this is the bottom shelf. You have the brackets, 2 for the longer side, 1 for the shorter side. You have all the screws you need, the plastics to put through the drywall. So this goes in the corner. This is the front part, the mesh, the stretchy string. And then you have the top piece, which you screw in on the sides. So it should look like this when you're finished. It goes in the corner, it has the strings. You put away stuffed animals or, blankets, any large, not so heavy item. In this case, we're gonna use stuffed animals. So let's go ahead and put this together and show you how it looks. So these are screws that come with these smaller ones and these larger ones. So those small ones I use for the wood, because if you put the longer ones, it's gonna go through. So the small ones on this side, and you could use the longer ones on this side if you want.